machine does the job of filling of aerated drink, that is filling of soda, filling of syrup, then automatic capping of the bottle, loading of the cap loading as well as the capping of the bottle, and the bottle comes out. So everything is done in this very compact machine, friends. It's a very compact machine, and you get a very outstanding speed of around 15 to 18 bottles per minute of 200 ml. So friends, you get a very good speed for a startup. It's a very good machine, and the pricing is also very affordable. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel AKB Machines. Friends, we represent brand Modio. Under this very brand, we provide a big range of EKTA machineries in which we cater to different industries. We cater to beverage industry, we cater to pharmaceutical industry, ice cream industry, as well as FMCG industry, cosmetic industry, every kind of industry we cater to. But we specialize in the whole range of soda, soft drink and different kind of beverage filling machines. So friends, you will be able to get all kinds of beverage machines from us at a very reasonable pricing. Friends, we not only give our efforts in making very high quality products as per the global standards, but we also take care of the pricing, because every customer who wants to start something new, everyone who wants to do a startup, anyone who is looking to start a business, we can provide them exactly the machineries they are looking for at the correct pricing. Friends, our machines do automatic work. We have fully automatic machines, we have semi-automatic machines, we have manual machines. According to your budget, we provide the machines. Yes friends, we are customizing. We customize the machine according to your requirement, friends. So we can provide you every kind of machines. Do contact us. Our WhatsApp number, that is our global WhatsApp number, is +91 8822686868, and we have a dedicated YouTube channel, that is AKB Machines. You can see all the range of machines which we are making. We are also making pet blowing machines in which you can make different kinds of bottles, like 100 ml bottles, 220 ml bottles, 200 ml bottles, 70 ml bottles, 150 ml bottles. We have a compact portable pet blowing machine. Friends, we have a very compact portable pet blowing machine. Then we also have different packaging machines in which you can shrink wrap your product. We have labeling machines, we have filling line, we have soft drink line starting from as low as 5 bottles per minute, 10 bottles per minute, 15 bottles per minute, 25 bottles per minute. We have a big range of filling line, friends. We have bigger machines like 60 BPM plant which is fully automized. In that we have semi-automatic machine. According to your budget, we can provide you that exact machine, friends. So in this range of machine, friends, all the machines, formulations, coding line, everything you will be able to get under the brand Modio. And under the brand Modio, we have a sub brand, that is EKTA machineries, and these very machines we provide at a very affordable prices, friends. This is a very new machine, friends. This is our multi-purpose filling line. Friends, as the name says, this very machine works automatically. You just need one person for this machine to operate. This machine does the job of filling of aerated drink, that is filling of soda, filling of syrup, then automatic capping of the bottle, loading of the cap loading as well as the capping of the bottle, and the bottle comes out. So everything is done in this very compact machine, friends. It's a very compact machine, and you get a very outstanding speed of around 15 to 18 bottles per minute of 200 ml. So friends, you get a very good speed for a startup. It's a very good machine, and the pricing is also very affordable price. So friends, to know the pricing, again I'll tell you, you can just WhatsApp on our WhatsApp number, that is +91 8822686868, which you'll be able to see down. So you can contact us to know more about this machine, friends. So friends, let me talk to you more about these machines which we are providing. So friends, this very machine is our EKTA multi-purpose filling machine, and this is our very innovative machine. This is a small compact machine which does the job automatically. So the filling, the cap loading, the capping, everything is done automatically. You just need one person. You can see over here we have provided the star plate, and the machine is very heavy duty. It's a food grade SS material which we are using. All the electronic and electrical components are very high quality products, so you can use this machine day and night. And the best part is you don't need any trained labor. Any layman can easily work. You can, any lady can operate it very easily. It's that easy. Just a person will sit over here and just load the bottle, and the filling, capping, everything will be done automatically. All right, so very less labor. You just need one person to do this job, just one single person. So it's not at all labor intensive, and the pricing is also very low. So this very machine, friends, with this machine you can make so many products, friends. You can make soda, soft drink, that is aerated drink. You can make sparkling drinks like these. We provide you the whole formulation for sparkling drinks like lemony, lemonade sparkling drinks with zero sugar. If you are health conscious, we can provide you low calorie product. We can provide you zero calorie product for diabetic patient. So we have different range of machines, as well as we can provide you the exact flavor like these. This is the peach flavor, this is the lemon flavor. We provide you the zero calorie products also for your needs. So friends, we can provide you zero calorie products also. Apart from that, we can provide you the formulation for juices. This machine can be used to fill juices like mango juice, strawberry, lychee, guava, pineapple, muskmelon, and we provide you the formulation. So you get the machine as well as you get the formulation. So that also is very easy on this very machine. Apart from that, friends, you can also fill different kinds of fragrances, perfumes. All these things also can be filled easily with this machine. You can fill 20 ml, 80 ml, 100 ml, 150 ml, 1 liter. You can easily fill 200 ml, 700 ml. It's that easy. Just very easy setting has been provided. The setting is also very easy, friends. With this setting, you can easily fill any kind of bottle, and you don't need a designated agent. You don't need a designated technician to use this machine. So the machine is very simple to operate, very sturdy, very heavy duty. All right. Apart from that, friends, this machine also can be used in pharmaceutical industries. If you want to fill any kind of antiseptic, liquid antiseptic, any kind of cough syrup, any kind of tonic, you can also fill all these kind of products. You can fill any kind of pharmaceutical liquid also with this kind of machines. You can see over here these kind of bottles. You can use any kind of bottles, friends. And if you want to blow this bottle, if you want to make bottles like this, we provide you the pet blowing machine also, friends. So this machine can be used to fill milk products, dairy products, all kind of milk products you can fill with this machine, you know, like milk, lassi, curd, all these things can be filled with the help of this very machine. You can also fill the essence, you can fill extract, you can fill extract of tamarind, extract of jeera, extract of eucalyptus. You can fill different kind of flavor extract like vanillin extract, then orange extract. So any kind of flavors also can be filled with this machine. Also you can fill the different coloring agents like the colors, the food colors also you will be able to fill. So sky's the limit, friends. You can fill any kind of product. You can fill vinegar with this machine. You can fill apple cider vinegar with the help of machine. Different kind of liquid sauces you can fill with this machine. The sauces which are low viscous in nature. Also you can fill syrups. Syrups are used everywhere across the world. Syrups are used in hotel industry, at home, domestically, everywhere syrups are used. So syrups for cough, the medicinal syrup as well as the recreational one. If you want to make any kind of syrups, you want to make a rose syrup, you want to make lemonade syrup, you want to make strawberry syrup, all these kind of formulations also you will get from us, friends. So this machine is a multi-purpose machine you can use for every single liquid product for this machine, and the working is damn easy. You just need to put the bottle over here, the star plate will move, then the filling will be done, the syrup will be dosed, the capping will be done, and the bottle will come out. So currently, friends, this machine we have designed for sparkling water, or you can say mineral water, or you can say the carbonated drinks. So friends, with this machine you can make carbonated drinks like mimicking Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Sprite, Thumbs Up, Miranda, any kind of drink, any kind of aerated drink you can make with this machine. So we have provided that kind of dedicated wall. So with these two walls you can get the soda, and from the third wall you get the syrup. So whatever flavor you want, these are the running flavor, but if you have any other flavor in your mind, you can definitely go, we can help you out. If you have any kind of formulation in your mind, we can help you out to formulate that kind of syrup, and you can get your desired product according to your requirement, friends. So customizing is very easy with our machines. All right. So currently this machine, we are going to show you the demo of how this machine works for soft drinks. So this machine is very easy. Let us start how the machine works. So before that, let me tell you that along with this machine, if you want to make soft drink, if you want to make drinks like sparkling water, if you want to make drinks like juices, sparkling water, soda, any kind of beverage related to CO2 gas, if you want to carbonate your product, then you need a carbonation system. Friends, you need a carbonation system. If you want to carbonate your product, so this is a carbonation system. This is a startup carbonation system. It's a small carbonation system. If your requirement is larger, we can provide the larger carbonation system. For startup, we provide this kind of carbonation system, which is very important. The mixing of CO2 gas and water is very important to get the proper industrial quality of soda. So this is what the carbonation system does. It takes water from one side, it takes the gas from one side, and it mixes the products. So you get a proper sparkling drink, a proper aerated drink, a drink which is as strong as Coke, Pepsi, Fanta, Mirinda. Alright, so you get that kind of outcome with this kind of premium carbonator from EKTA. Then this is a mixing tank. We have a big range of mixing tank, friends. This is a small 100-liter mixing tank, but we can provide you any kind of mixing tank. If you want a larger mixing tank like 200 liters, 400 liters, 500 liters, 1000 liters, more than that, we can make it for you. Alright, so this is the mixing tank. This is a very basic setup, friends. Apart from that, we also provide the packaging machine. If you want to label this product, we provide the labeling machine. We can show you the labeling machines also, friends. This is our portable labeling machine. So with this help of labeling machine, you just need to put the bottles over here. The bottle will move further. The labeling will be done. From here, the labeling will be done, and also the batch coding will be done. We'll provide you the batch coding system, so you can do this kind of batch coding. Okay, we provide the batch coding system also, similar to this. Labeling will be done, batch coding will be done, and you get the perfect product. So Your labeling and batch coding solution also, friends, we provide with this kind of portable machine. With the top speed of around 40 bottles per minute, you can easily use this machine for any kind of labeling, any kind of product, not just soft drink, but any kind of bottle if you have related to your industry, like water, juices, beverages, pharmaceutical industry, cough syrup, tonic water, anything. You can use this machine for any of your products. It is highly customizable, friends. And we have a big range of machines you can see over here. We have a big range of automatic machines over here, all right? So we can provide you anytime. We can provide you, if you want machines in bulk, we can supply the machines to you in bulk, because we constantly make our machines over here. This is the bigger machine. If you want a larger speed, we provide you the larger speed of the machine. With in-feed conveyor, out-feed conveyor, we can provide you these kind of machines also, larger machines. This is the chilling system for carbonated drinks. Chilling gives you better quality, better outcome, all right? And we also have these other big machines required for carbonated drinks. It contains counter pressure filling technology. So we have basically, friends, we have a big range of machineries. Also we have the bunch packing machines. With the help of the bunch packing machines, you can easily wrap the bottles. So friends, this is our whole bunch packing machine. With the help of this machine, you can wrap the whole bottles. You can just place all the bottles over here. 24 bottles you have to keep. You have to put the roll over here. The packaging will be done. The bottle will move forward and the bottles will be wrapped, and you get a perfect set of all the bottles. So this is a very important machine. Apart from that, the processing part. If you want a boiler, we can provide you the boilers like these. This is 100-liter boiler, 200-liter boiler, which we can control the temperature as well as the RPM of the machine. These are the larger boilers. 500-liter boiler. This is sugar filter press. This is very important to get a pure sugar. This is very important to get pure filtered sugar, so that your product, any product, if you want to make any product related to FMCG, related to food industry, then sugar filter press is very important to get that kind of quality. So these are the additional machines. If you want a better quality, a higher quality of the product, then these are the machines which you can invest in to get a better outcome. This is our 12/6 fully automatic machine, friends. This is our whole fully automatic 12/6 machine. All right, it gives you a speed of around 60 bottles per minute, a top speed of around 60 bottles per minute. So friends, now we're going to start filling the bottle. It's very simple. I just have to load the bottle over here on the star plate. One by one, I'll be loading all the bottles, and you're going to see how easily the filling of the strong carbonated drink, that is the strong soda, is being filled. And after that, the dosing of the syrup is happening, and after that, the capping is happening, friends. Everything is being done very easily. I am just sitting over here. Any layman person can operate. Any lady can operate. You don't need a technical person to operate our machine. Just like soda, you can also fill juices, you can also fill pharmaceutical syrups, you can fill different kind of flavored syrups, you can fill sparkling drinks, you can fill tonic water, you can fill zero sugar carbonated drinks, you can fill any drink like Coke, Pepsi, Mirinda. With the help of our strong carbonation system, friends, provide a wide range of different carbonation at a very affordable pricing. All our machines are very affordable, friends. Do contact on our number, our WhatsApp number +918822686868 to know more about these machines. We have a big range of machines. You can see how easily the filling and cutting is being done. Everything is automated. I am just sitting over here. No need of intense labor. Very easily the work is being done, friends. Alright, thank you so much for watching. So friends, you have seen how easily we did the filling and capping of the bottle. Friends, we just loaded the bottle and automatically the filling of 2 nozzles of soda, then 1 nozzle of syrup, then cap fitting and capping happened automatically with the help of our compact portable machines. And you can see, friends, this machine is so portable, so small, and it works automatically, and it can be shipped anywhere across the world. Friend, this machine we can ship anywhere. We can ship this machine in Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos, Japan, China, anywhere in Southeast Asia. We can ship it in Australia. We can ship it in anywhere in the Middle Eastern area, Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Egypt, Israel. Any kind of places we can ship. We can ship it in Kazakhstan, in Uzbekistan, any kind of place, Turkmenistan. We can ship it to Turkey. We can ship it to European countries, anywhere, Greece, Italy, anywhere we can ship it. We can ship it to African countries, the whole African belt, East Africa, West Africa, South Africa, Eastern African countries, Tanzania, Madagascar, Kenya, then Zambia, also in South Africa, in Angola, then in Congo, in Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Papua New Guinea, then all other places, everywhere across the Africa, and also we can ship it to South America. We can ship anywhere in South America or the US, Canada, Mexico. So anywhere across the world, friends. It is very, very compatible and easy to be shipped. You can ship it anywhere, friends. You just call on our WhatsApp number +91 8822686868 and we'll help you out more. So you can see this whole setup needs a very small space. You need just a single space. If you are just filling liquid, you just need this machine and a mixing tank. Just 2 machines you need, and you can set up your filling plant. In filling plant, you can fill juices, you can fill liquid detergent, you can fill fragrances, you can fill extracts of iced tea, you can fill coffee, you can fill milk, you can fill lots of different free flow liquid products, friends. So it is that easy, friends. Just need a filler and you need this very machine and your work is done. And because this machine is small and portable, the consumption of electricity is also very, very less. As a result, the consumption is less, the cost of production is less. As a result, your cost is less and you can deliver more and more product in the market. And you don't need to invest much. You don't need a lot of investment for these machines. So in a very, very small investment, you get amazing output, friends. Also, apart from these machines, we are also providing you a wide range of flavors, friends. We provide you flavors for soft drink, we provide you flavors for nata de coco, that is mogu mogu. We provide you flavors for basil seeds like Americano. You must have seen there are basil seeds like, you know, in kiwi, muskmelon, strawberry, lychee, guava, pineapple, muskmelon. We have a big range. We have mixed fruit also. So we have a big range of juices as well as soft drink. If you want to make products which are as good as Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Mirinda, lemon, lemonade, we provide you those kind of formulations. If you have any kind of formulation in your mind, if you have any product in your mind, if you want to develop any kind of product with us, we can help you with the whole customization range, because we have a big range of different flavoring formulations, friends. So we provide you every kind of flavors. If you want to make any kind of functional ingredients, if you want to make nutritive products, so we can provide you with the nutritional agents. You can provide you with the functional ingredients according to your requirement. A good nutritional product we can provide you. A nutritional beverage recipe we can provide you. Apart from that, friends, we can also provide you the sugar reduction agent. If you want a low calorie product, if you want a 0 calorie product, we can help you out in that as well. So we not only provide you the machines, but we also provide you the flavors. We provide you end to end, every machine, every flavors. You just need to contact us and all the work shall be done. We can help you out with the branding, marketing, paperwork, everything we can help you out, friends. Other than that, we can provide you all kind of packaging machines. Packaging machines required in every kind of field. Not only in beverage industry, but any kind of FMCG industry, food products, cosmetic industry, pharmaceutical industry. You want labeling machine, we can provide a labeling machine for your bottle, just like these labels. You can see these labels can be put over here automatically with the help of automatic labeling machine. If you want batch coding like this, batch coding basically is putting the price on the product, putting the shelf life, the expiry date, the MRP, the manufacturing date, batch number, all these things. Also, you can put a logo on the top of the bottle. So we provide you a very affordable batch coding machine as well, along with other machines. If you want to do bunch packing of all the 24 bottles, we can help you out with the bunch packing machines also. So you will get end to end every kind of machine from us, friends. So you don't have to go anywhere else. If you want to blow this bottle, if you want a bottle of your own shape, your own size, we can provide you the very machine, the blowing machine, to get these kind of amazing shapes for your product, friends. So you get the bottle making machine, that is the blowing machine as well. If you want a water purification plant, if you want to put a mineral water plant, if you want to make mineral water, if you want to use this machine to fill drinking water. Drinking water is basically used everywhere in a small cafeteria to big chain of hotels, big hotels like Hyatt Regency, JW Marriott, all these kind of hotels, they require these kind of small setups to put these bottles across the whole chain of their hotels. So just in a small investment of this machine, and we provide you a very high quality RO water purification system. So with the help of water purification system provided by us and this very machine, you can start your drinking water business as well with your own label. You can customize your label according to your needs, friends. So we provide each and every machine required for the beverage line and any kind of food industry, friends. Alright, so to know more about our machines, do check our YouTube channel, that is AKB Machines, and you will get more knowledge about our machines. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Thank you so much.